Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we go again. What we are talking about, a kaolin bar bake. So let's unbox it. So inside the box, you can see this. So let's open it. This is a jumbo bake. So kaolin bar power bake, and with a free lace or lanyard, as you can see. So let's start it. At the top, let's remove the seal, and below, let's remove the sticker. This is a charger, USB Type-C, and adjustable wattage. It's a color green with a flavor of lemon frozen or lemon frozen. Sorry. So it is a 1000 milliamp hour, 20 ml, 5% nicotine, and 30 watts charging. So this is from United States. So this is a American vape. So let's taste. So let's open here. So this is a battery indicator. So let's pop it. Taste lemon, but not totally menthol. So this is a 30,000 pops. So that's that's all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.